Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the 23 SAT tips and tricks you must use. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. Tip 6. Don't ignore passage introductions. Every passage on the SAT has a brief italicized introduction that provides some background information about the passage and its author. If you skip this introduction paragraph, you might lose out on some important information. Tip 7. Get interested in the passages. Forcing yourself to interact with the material is the best approach to remember information while reading sections on the SAT. It will be much simpler for you to remember what happened in the section if you approach this as an educational opportunity rather than a task. You'll enjoy the test more and perform better on the test as a whole if your brain is in wow, interesting mentality as opposed to blah, blah, just have to get to the questions mode. Tip 8. Look for direct evidence. The reality is that you should always be able to identify direct evidence in the passage or chart you are referring to support your answers, despite the fact that SAT reading questions might occasionally look subjective. Tip 9. Focus on filling content gaps first. No matter how many SAT practice questions you complete, if you struggle with fundamental arithmetic concepts, you will need to fill in those knowledge gaps before you can raise your SAT arithmetic score. Work on your content weaknesses first if you discover you are skipping practice SAT math problems because you are uneasy with a certain subject matter. This is the quickest approach to noticeably raise your results. From here, you can proceed to correct additional flaws that are more obvious, such incorrectly understanding a question or being careless. Tip 10. Resolve questions you missed before looking at the answer explanations. The greatest technique to ensure that you genuinely grasp how to solve math section questions that you previously misunderstood is to do this. It's one thing to read the explanation for the answer and think, oh, of course, that's how you solve it, but quite another to actually solve the puzzle. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.